Welcome to the RES IT Store tutorial on creating data sources for Active Directory users, number 6036B. This tutorial explains how to configure data sources for users. With Microsoft Active Directory data sources, you can retrieve external data from Microsoft Active Directory. You can retrieve data related to users, groups, organizational units, or group membership. A new RES IT Store environment contains default data sources for Microsoft Active Directory, group membership, groups, organizational units, and users. These data sources are pre-configured to retrieve information from the Microsoft Active Directory domain that you are currently logged onto. These are used by the default data connections for people and organization. Log on to your Windows virtual machine with username resdemo/administrator and the RES password. Open the RES console, click Data Model, Data Sources. The data source window opens. Select the default data source AD people and click Edit. The Microsoft Active Directory window opens. Click on the Properties tab. In the name field, specify the name of the data source, resdemo-users. In the domain field, specify the Active Directory domain that you are currently logged onto and from which information will be retrieved. If you have access to multiple domains, you can select one from the drop-down menu. In the Security Context field, specify the credentials necessary to connect to the Active Directory domain. The specified account must be in the same Active Directory domain as you specified in the domain field. In the Mount Point field, specify the location in your Active Directory structure from which this point onwards Active Directory information is to be retrieved. In the Object Type field, to specify the type of information that will be retrieved. In this case, user information. Click the Columns tab. This tab shows an overview of all Active Directory columns from which information will be imported. If necessary, add or remove columns. The columns that you select depend on the object type that you selected on the Properties tab. When adding columns, the option Show All Advanced Properties allows you to select Advanced Active Directory properties. Click the Diagnostics Preview Data. This tab shows a preview of the Active Directory information that will be imported. Click Close to save the changes. You can now configure data connections that refer to the Microsoft Active Directory data source.